Hi guys, let's see how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working in Windows 11. So the very first fix is open settings. So press Windows and I key together to open settings. Now in the settings, in the left menu, click on privacy and security. And the right side, scroll down and find camera. Click on camera. Make sure the camera access is on and also let apps access your camera is turned on. If they are off, turn them on. Also, scroll down and find Microsoft Teams in the list and make sure it is also turned on. Now the second thing is just open Microsoft Teams. Okay. Click on More. Then click on Device Settings. And in Video Settings, make sure the correct device is selected. Now, if this also does not work, there is one more thing which you can do, and that is just search Device Manager in the search box. Click on Device Manager to open Device Manager. Now, double click on cameras or wherever your camera driver is, just locate that. Right click on that camera driver of yours. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. Click on Let Me Pick from a List. Select the top one. Click on Next and it will reinstall the driver. Okay. If this also does not work, right click and click on Update, and this time click on Search automatically for drivers. And now try again and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching the Geek.